None bafethu, all good. Today is the Jimmy Steam bafethu. It's all about the performance. At the same time, it's all about ubumnandi, yabo. Cause sobukela ama-team adlalayo. I'm not a fan of football, guys, but sobukela ama-team adlalayo today. So it's a national project cup today. So asazi ukuthi lephi ezowina kuzokwenzakalani, but I'm here to support. At the same time, I'm here to perform. So I'll just make some snippet, just to nibone indawo enjani. The beautiful place is very beautiful. I understand. It's a Jimmy Stein Stadium. It's a nice place to be.
Yazaba bazokunyata yazaba bazokunyata Maulane ngezokukuba Maulane la ngezokukuba Maulane ngezokukuba Maulane la ngezokukuba Vuga ndonyama sesele Vuga ndonyama sesele Vuga ndonyama sesele Vuga ndonyama sesele Utate ngafuni spirituality Ngafuni spirituality Mobile busy nikitchen is papi Mobile busy nikitchen is papi Mobile busy nikitchen is amanga Amanga, ngoba busy nikijimisa amanga Khulumeka kumnge spirituality nganise Khulumeka kumnge nkosi nganiye Khulumeka kumnge studios nganise Khulumeka kumnge ndlezo koko nganise Ngoba busy ngamanga busy ngamanga ni busy ngamanga busy ngamanga bazokunyata yazaba bazokunyata Maulane ngezokukuba Maulane la ngezokukuba Maulane ngezokukuba Maulane la ngezokukuba Vuga ndonyama sesele Vuga ndonyama sesele Vuga ndonyama sesele Vuga ndonyama sesele Jini izonidlala
by i-Dr. S.B. Radebe Foundation. So namhlanje sifocuse kakhulu kwi-sports. Ingakho inkosi yamakhosomoya yathi i-Projects World Cup. Ngamanye amazwi i-World Cup yethu lethina. Eyethu le World Cup kakhulu. Our own World Cup. Sne rights zokusho njalo simply because countries are here, provinces are here, so ukuzophuhlisa ukuzokhuphula ukuzo-advertise italente lethu sonke esila. So it's very important that you play ngakho konke onakho because you don't know who's watching. We have professional players abasuke la bedlala kuyo le Projects Cup. Namhlanje they are playing professional. So for you it's an opportunity ukuthi uziveze ikhono lakho njengoba ula. Sikhuluma nje we are live. You never know who's watching. That is why discipline imele ibe at par, imele ibe phezulu le, because
ungakhathazeki mntakwethu, sisafe yonke into ke laphana organize. Uma ngabe ke laphana ke uphuke inyawo, ikhona ke laphana ke i-Gauteng Healthy. Ikhona ke i-Gauteng Healthy. Laphana ke ne-broker ikhona ke laphana ke otisa babili nikhumbule kasasa. Iyo ke laphana ke i-Women's Day. Ngizothi happy Women's Day kubo bonke omama abakho.
Oh, Teddy, oh, no, not Tolly. Teddy, makashayivele njengalo waseyunivesithi manje yakakhulu. Driver Teddy, driver Teddy, Oza. Now Teddy guys. Saiva, jolola mabafala. Tendo MK la. Ayo bafethu sesilandana, kule kadamla. Producer guy.
VSK iqhawe ezosiperformela. Sibonga. Kuhle masasha kuhle. Kuhle masasha kuhle. Ifikeza mama kama naye kabangani moya haya kama everybody should right DJ.
Kolega.
Zone.